In the ever-evolving landscape of nonprofits, the ability to build an agile strategy is paramount to delivering maximum impact. Making quick decisions confidently is important to keeping your nonprofit nimble, especially in today's world of endless change and volatility, where nonprofits are faced with increasing challenges in achieving their mission. Imagine having a single source of truth for all your data, a centralized ERP that seamlessly integrates with financial planning and analysis, human capital management, and source-to-contract procurement software. Analyze, report, strategize, and optimize with confidence with pre-built apps and refined processes that are proven to work specifically for nonprofits. You'll quickly have a clearer view of your financials, operations, and resources, allowing you to build an agile strategy to achieve your mission. Our FP&A module takes financial planning and analysis for nonprofits to the next level. With its advanced features, you can create what-if scenarios, model various strategies, and forecast the financial impact of your decisions. Our software solution equips you with the tools to go beyond traditional financial planning. It empowers you to be proactive, adaptive, and agile in your decision-making, ensuring your nonprofit remains at the forefront of change. Unit4 not only helps you with financial and HR planning, but supports your nonprofit's organizational strategy through both quarterly and annual planning. Your people data is integrated too, so staffing becomes easier. Unit4 Industry Mesh automatically imports your data from your CRM into your ERP financial applications to plan your nonprofit project resources more accurately. With the integration to your CRM, we allow you to easily capture and report the cost of operations within your ERP by registering time and expenses, as well as any grants and funding donations data. With multiple standard dashboards at your fingertips, you can view several KPIs, such as forecasted costs, actual costs, and employee utilization of a project or mission. By embracing the capabilities of our ERP software solution, you'll have the ability to plan for the future, optimize resources, and allocate funds strategically, all to help navigate complexities, seize opportunities, and deliver maximum impact. Ready to take your nonprofit to new heights? Contact us today for a demo and start your journey towards building an agile strategy that delivers meaningful change.